We are now going to start preparing a chocolate pound cake. We've got the ingredients all set up. The oven is set at 170 degrees. My perforated tray is ready lined with some reusable silicone sheet, the Beco Glide, which I've mentioned about. So I'm going to start preparing the mix, and then it will go in the tray, and the tray obviously in the oven for about 30 minutes. But let's see how we prepare the mix. So we'll start by softening the butter. I'm going to use a flat beater. Start mixing the butter, and I'm going to add the sugar. And that pinch of salt. Going to put some vanilla flavored sugar, or you can put vanilla if you want. The mixing process will take probably about 2 minutes. Okay, now that the sugar is pretty much incorporated, I'm going to put the cocoa powder. Then I will add the eggs. And carry on mixing. Slow speed. And then medium speed. Just stop and scrape. Just scrape again, and then incorporate, add the buttermilk, and incorporate the chocolate. So the buttermilk, that's going to give me an acidic medium for my chocolate and cocoa powder. I'm also going to add some coffee, about 40 milliliters. That's just going to increase the bitterness. Obviously, if you don't want that bitterness, you don't have to add the coffee. I think it just gives a really nice flavor. And I know it looks like it's curdled, but that's no problem. Going to add my baking powder into the flour. And then just stir in. And add the flour and incorporate. Okay, making sure that everything it's nicely incorporated. So there is no, we don't have any reason to overmix in here. We just have to make sure that all is nicely incorporated, and we stop and then pour into our baking tray. Just getting the baking tray here. A wonderful smell. I'm just going to spread the mixture. Came out, we just have to transfer it. It is super fragile, just because it's got so much fat in it. You will have to be maneuvered with care. It will obviously get a bit firmer when it will cool, because it's got the chocolate and that's going to get firmer, but at this point it is quite soft. I'm just going to pick one side and just transfer it nicely into here and leave it to cool before decorating.